So when you have your finished bracelet, you're gonna knot off each end here, and then you're gonna flip the two ends toward each other, and they're gonna lay side by side in your fingers, just like that. So this is the one end and this is the other. And then you're gonna take your shorter piece and swoop it under, and then take your left side and pull it over the top. And this is sort of the tricky part. You're gonna swing that other short end through that loop you've made, and then you're gonna pull them taut. Once you get the first one done, it becomes a lot easier because there's a little bit more structure to hold on to. And then you're gonna go the opposite direction. So the side with the little nub, pull mine tight here, the side with that little nub there is the side that's gonna loop over the top. So make your loop, and then you wanna make sure that this guy swings up and over the end, but this end sticks out his left side. And then you swoop that through, pull taut, and then you're just gonna pull it so that it's fairly tight. You know, you don't wanna like pull them so hard these pop off, but you're gonna pull that tight. And then you just do the same thing. Start on your left side because that guy's got the newest little nub. Pull that over the top, hold your loop, make sure this guy's sticking out the side here. Take your other one, feed your end through, pull taut, and you can see it start to form that knot, and then pull taut. So you can see how it's forming here with the little nubs on each side. Like I said, you want to pull them fairly tight, and then you'll maybe want to do 4, 5, or 6 to loop over the top. Bring this other guy through, leave this little guy out. Bring this one up and through, pull him taut, I'm going to do one more here. Leave this guy out, pull this one back and around and through, pull it taut, and there. That's a pretty good size knot right there. I would probably leave that as is. And then to finish off the bracelet, keep going. To finish off the bracelet, you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut fairly close to that end. Get my finger out of the way. You're going to cut maybe only like less than 1/4 of an inch. And you're going to cut that guy off. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side and cut your long guy off. Okay, this is the most fun part. You're going to take a lighter and you're going to singe the end of that little nub just a touch, and that's going to heat that wax up, and it's going to sizzle back into the knot and make it a clean side there. You won't have this little guy coming off the side. Okay, hold it so you can see what I'm doing here. Here we go. Maybe so just a touch. See how it's pulling back, and then I will kind of tap it back in there. Don't burn yourself, obviously. You just want to do it long enough that gets hot. See how it just disappears right into it? And it burns right off. And that glue, or that wax, becomes a glue that holds that knot closed. So we're going to do it to the other side. This is the cleanest way that I have found. Just back, and then you can tap it in so that it, like I said, don't burn yourself. But there it is, it's disappeared. So once you have your ends burned off, you can see they look nice and clean. There's no loose ends hanging off there. So then this is an adjustable bracelet. So to pull it out, you're gonna make that bracelet nice and wide, and then you can slip your hand in there, and then you're gonna pull. Sometimes I use my teeth. Maybe a person can help you instead of using your teeth. You're gonna pull the ends back away from each other, and that will tighten the bracelet around your arm. And then to take it off, you can pull on the ends, or you can pull right on that knot and loosen it. So it's fully adjustable all the way down to the itty bittiest little size. Okay, and there you have it.